model, 2013 Citroen Relay Boxer 35 L3h2 2.2 HDI. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 152,306. MOT, the 25th of July 2025. Engine, 2198 cc4 HHD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.